What's going on, everybody? You watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and I am parting out my whole Cadillac for all the good parts and putting it on my Cadillac because I can't keep it anymore. It's a rust bucket, and someone has offered me an offer I can't refuse. There's going to be many things I want to take off of here and swap over to my car and swap over to here. It's not going to be really devalued at all, but I'm just going to go ahead and take things I want to, like the bumper and, not this stick, but, CTS-V wing. Oh yeah, it's like double the size of the one I have on my car. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we take that. But right now, let's go ahead and start working on this CTS-V brake light wing. All right, let's take a little tour here. We're going to take off. This is bumper here, plastic guard, bumper. Got some like plastic piece here, holding it in. Then a few other things right there. Then I gotta take this handle. Got two 8mm. So we need a little extension. Pop those out, be good. And so right in here, let's take this plastic piece out as well. So these go ahead and stay. And we just gotta pull the felt down, just be able to get right up top here. Also, sorry for muffling and masking and sniffling. It's allergy season, and boy, it hurts this year. All right, so it turns out two bolts up there are a tiny 9 and 30 seconds. Yeah, so that's really small. Really small. Get that out. Pull. Ooh, getting kind of crusty. No surprise really here. Go ahead and twist out these rubber feet. Boom, two right there. Nice. Might be able to pull down already on this plastic piece. Might not even need a tool. Yeah, I don't even need a tool. Pull on the plastic little tabs right here. Should be left. It should be good. One over here on this side too. Oh my stick. Get my pry tool. That one. Probably move your emergency release, pull that through. So what we have here, the bolt right there, one on the other side as well. Should be about a 10. Nice, very nice. All right, got it. Next we got two more bolts right in here, this hole, and the next one over. Another more 10s again. Should be able to get right in there. Go. 4. All right, so I'm gonna recommend go ahead and taking these pillars out right here. So you get the little plastic piece up top. We got one down below. I'm gonna get the fabric out as well. So then, boom. Second one down here. Just kind of push around the plastic, and then have a little bit of room to wiggle your tool in. Boom, and well, there it goes. It's not quick. All right, do the same for the other side. So we're gonna take off the whole thing. One extra little plastic piece right here. Boom. I recommend this. It's a little bit easier and quicker. All right, essentially there's gonna be bolts in all these holes. There's 6 bolts in total. These are all 10mm. Yeah. We are becoming looser. It's weird, but we're becoming looser on here. So, oh wait, there it is. Ooh, wow, look at all that. Ooh. Yeah, that's dirty. Before you go too crazy, make sure you unclip the brake light. So, don't lose it. Here, it's gonna be orange clip. Take your small screwdriver, got a little pin right here. And this, it's a little tough. So it's gonna be like this. So I hate to do it again, but you have to kind of go from the top with a small screwdriver, pull up and just enough for the tab gets out of the way, and you gotta pull down. There we go. Nice and out of the way now. Here we go. With the rope. Yeah. Plastic piece. There we go. Good stuff. All right. Dirty. Foam still intact. That's good. Okay. Just a little clean up here. This thing so much shorter in comparison. Ha ha ha. That looks great. All right, look, I put this on. Then just reverse order, really. So more safe. Also, what I did, I had cleaned it up, put ceramic coat on it. So now it's nice, deep, shiny. Oh, looks great. Wow, look in there. Really sharp in there. Old one is off. New one is going on. Oh yeah. Be good. See how it looks officially. Oh, nice. That's gonna add some pizzazz. Like, and we're on. That's how you place the wing on your CTS Coupe. That's it for today's video, everyone. But if you want more content like this and some other how-tos and see some upgrades that I'm taking from the old one and putting it on this better one, not newer because it's the same year, go ahead and you subscribe. Make sure you like this video if you thought it was helpful. Leave some comments down below. If you have any questions or comments or have anything else to say, go ahead and do that. I'd love to read them and respond to them as well. So next we're going to be doing probably something with the license plate lights here. So that's just another quick one right here. So hope you check out the next video. But guys, this is GT Sam. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.